Everyone, it's Beth, and today I want to walk you through some updates to shipping items within the PO function. So this allows you to actually have multiple orders happening within one PO, tracking those very accurately, and then also representing those on your timeline in a better way than we did before. So I'm excited to show you this. Let's dive in. Let's imagine that you have gotten an email that something from a vendor has shipped. What you're going to do is come to your orders tab. You can also do this from your global procurement tab as well, but I'm in this project and I want to open up this purchase order. You'll see that this is an order that I had already placed. It's all confirmed. In this case, I've gotten a shipping notification. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click right here where it says shipments. I'm going to click add. And here you'll see this little row pops up that gives me some options and things that I want to select. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select the shipping information, put in the tracking number. You'll probably copy and paste that from your email. Put in the ship date, which is today, and then expected delivery date. We're going to put next Wednesday. And then this is where you can get specific on if all of the items in this PO have shipped or not. So depending on what you see in your email, you'll click items, and then you can deselect the ones that haven't shipped yet. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And then I'm going to mark this as shipped. Now, if you know in advance when you're making this PO happen that some things will ship separately, you can already set that up if you would like to. Now I'm going to add in a second shipment. So I got another email letting me know that the other two items have shipped and that they are shipping together. In this case, again, I'm going to select the carrier, put in the tracking information, put in the ship date, the expected delivery date of this, and then also if these two items are shipping. Now, if you have something that is a larger quantity and you're only getting a portion of them, you can also come in and edit that right here. For this, I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to hit shipped. And when I hit save, this is going to ask me if I want to change the status from ordered to shipped, which I do, and then you can optionally add in some notes here as well. So I'm going to hit save, and then if I head over to my timeline, you'll notice that those deliveries are expected and that they're also showing up down here, and that anything that was shipping soon has now been cleared out. So if you have shipping soon, you go back, you update things to be delivered, all of that is going to live update in your timeline now. And this can all be managed from the order system right here. Right, now, let's say that we have found out that this item has been delivered. Instead of going to the selections workspace and marking each one as delivered, you can now come into this purchase order and just mark these right here as delivered. And there you go. If I hit save, it's going to update all of those items to received. I can hit save on that one. And then when I go to my timeline now, all of that is going to be cleared out. So we have made this much more seamless. Everything is there. It is keeping track and it is updating your timeline live. We're so excited to be able to offer these multiple shipments within an order and all of the seamless updating on the timeline. If you have any questions about procurement, you can always reach out to us at hello@materio.co.